Hi friends, welcome to Think Mindful. This is Vaishali Kelkar and here I am again with another festival and its significance. Snakes have immense significance in Hindu belief and there is a festival dedicated to the worship of snakes. Nag Panchami is celebrated on the 5th day of Shukla Paksha or the moonlit fortnight in the month of Shravan according to Hindu calendar. In our childhood days, in every gully, nukkad and chauraha, we have seen snake charmers with their snake baskets saying Nagobala Doodh, Nagobala Doodh and playing an instrument called as pungi or bean. The festival of Nag Panchami is one of the most important festivals celebrated all over India. The festival has got both religious as well as scientific significance. On this auspicious day, it is interesting to search the unique connection between man and snake. Well friends, snakes are on this planet for a reason. They are not here to scare us, but they play a role of predators in the food chain. They help to keep the population of rodents, frogs, lizards and other insects under control. In those days, when no chemical pesticides were available, farmers would rather let the nature do it her way. Hence, to express their gratitude towards the snakes, farmers would worship them in the form of clay idol. Now let us take a glance at the religious aspect of Nag Panchami festival. The festival of Nag Panchami is celebrated in the honor of Lord Krishna and his victory over the many-headed black serpent Kaliya that lived in the river Yamuna. When the heels of Lord Krishna would strike the hoods of Kaliya, some broke off and got replaced by the new ones. All the while, Lord Krishna kept playing his sweet flute. The hoods kept breaking and forming, but Lord Krishna was unperturbed. Snake Kaliya, with his numerous hoods, symbolizes the numerous desires we have. When one desire gets fulfilled, another arises, just like the new hoods of Kaliya. Snake Kaliya prays for forgiveness, saying, "O Lord, you are the creator. You have created venomous snakes like me. What is my fault? I am poisonous because the nature has made me so." Lord Krishna accepted Kaliya's prayer. Lord Krishna did not kill Kaliya, nor did he snatch his venom, but asked Kaliya to go to another place where he could use his venom when it is absolutely necessary in self-defense. Here, through this story, Lord Krishna is teaching us that we should not eliminate desires, anger, greed, delusion that troubles us, but change their course. We desire to obtain something or the other. Let this earning be turned to attain God, to obtain inner peace, to earn welfare for people. This way, we could put our wisdom to good use. If greed overpowers you, channelize it towards acquiring divine knowledge. Friends, now let's explore the psychological aspect of the festival. In Hindu mythology, a snake represents ego. Ego or ahankara never lets us live in peace with others. हमारा अहंकार ही हमारा विनाश का कारण बनता है. Ego is a major obstacle in the path of man's worldly and spiritual happiness. Ego is invariably present in everyone to lesser or greater extent, be it young or old, rich or poor, literate or illiterate. Getting rid of your ego is difficult but not impossible. Modesty and humbleness are the virtues to be practiced to control the ego. Modesty and humbleness comes with different actions like spreading love, practicing giving, respecting seniors, taking blessings from teachers and elders, showing concern through speech, action, and thought. Since snakes represent ego, worshipping snakes is like teaching modesty, humility to yourself by controlling the ego. So friends, from now on, let us celebrate Nag Panchami, understanding its religious, social and psychological significance. It happens only in India. One side you see the modern science and technology, and the other side you see the traditional India, its beliefs in ancient rituals and practices. Yet, Hindu society and its way of living has always maintained the fine balance between the two and allowed them to coexist, and a peaceful harmony prevails despite what the rest of the world may think. Thank you friends, and wishing you all a very happy Nag Panchami. आप सबको नाग पंचमी की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।